I am going to change my bike top box from this Shad SH29 to this ASG SH28. Reason in my last video I mentioned the Shad SH29 was broken and there was no option but to change it because the spare parts was not available. So I have come to Check and Go, the initiator, and I'm just working. He's just working on how to put the base plate on the rack I have. So this base plate, I think there are a few holes to be drilled for this base plate to be in the rack. So he's just marking that, and now he will drill it and then have new holes so that we can add the base plate of this ASG SH28. The drilling starts. I think we need 4 holes for the base plate to be fitted in a very strong position so that it doesn't tilt and later damage the top box. So after the drilling is done, the base plate will be fitted. Now testing the base plate strength, the nuts and the screws, so that it's in a very strong and robust position. The helper is helping the main mechanic, Dinesh Sherton, for that. So let's see how this goes on. And the box is tested to see the lock system. This lock system of this box is very basic. It's not like the latch type lock system where you can remove it using the lock and latch itself. This has got a screw lock. If you need to remove it, you need to unscrew. It's not like easy like the SS29 where you can use the latch lock system to just remove it and push it back. But then again, the SH28 had other issues, but this is cheaper. So yeah, this mechanism is good for the price.
So friends came back with this ASG top box, the cheapest one you can get in India, which you can remove. The Studs one is cheaper, 1,500, but you simply cannot remove it. This one, you can remove the top box. So yeah, 2,500. I will leave the link in the description. I'll just show you what all does fit inside. It fits almost the same things which I've had in my Shad SS29 box, and it's more easy to close and open. Let me show you. To open, simple. It does fit my big TVS export helmet and my small towel and a little bit of paperwork as well. So overall, yeah, very good, and it closes very well, unlike the Shad, which was difficult to close because of the technology used. So this one is so simple. Finished. Take out the key. So ASG, I think it is sold by ASG India website, and there is a Mumbai retailer, but the Mumbai retailer charges around 500 for courier. Going to have a very bad experience like Shad, on which I had spent around 4,800 for the SS29. Then I had a base plate replaced because of the issue with the latch, where the latch broke. And then I had almost spent very good money for the base plate as well. So overall, yeah, Shad cost me something like 8,000 overall, and still it was not working, and it went broke because of a small, like metal which was in the sliding mechanism. So overall, yeah, this one ASG cheaper and effective. So overall, very happy. So there ends my ASG SG28 top box installation video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.